Did you know that over 50% of millennials have a side hustle? And in today's digital age, the opportunities to earn from the comfort of your own home or anywhere with Wi-Fi are more abundant than ever before. Whether you're a college student looking to pay off loans, save for a trip, or just want some extra cash in your pocket. Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Curb. Here at Skill Curb, we post daily videos on new cutting-edge technologies. Today, we're diving into 11 of the best remote side hustles that are perfect for college students. So grab your notepad because these hustles could be your ticket to that financial freedom you've been dreaming about. Let's dive right in. At number 1, we have freelance writing. The demand for freelance writing in the market is really great. So here at Fiverr, you can see all of these are doing writing services, and this guy has over 200 reviews, which means he had 200 sales of writing a blog. This guy has 319, this guy has 212, and this is just not Fiverr. If you come here on Freelancer, here you can see that there are different jobs for writers ranging from $12 to $74, and that's just the average bid, and you can potentially bid more than that. There's even a one with $97. And by far, this is not the last website that is hiring freelance writers. If you come to Upwork.com, you can see that there is this content writer who's charging $8 per hour. And that's just one niche. It's up to you which niche you want to pursue. You can even pursue a comedy niche and you can earn up to $85 per hour. And again, this is just a potential wage. You can even bid more than that if you have the skills. So if you're really serious about content writing and being a freelance writer, what you can do is you can head over to Coursera. And here over Coursera, you can see that there are tons of different courses for writers. Like this one from Michigan State University, this one from University of California. But if you think that you're just going to do it for a few months and you do not plan to make a career in this, you can actually head over to YouTube. And here over YouTube, you can see that there are different people teaching content writing and there are complete courses for free. And these courses are really minimalistic as compared to the Coursera certification. I hope you get the idea of how to get into freelance writing. Number 2 on our list is social media management. Now, why social media management? It takes the least amount of time while doing it and the learning curve isn't steep. We all know what social media is, and it is really easy for the younger generation to get into it and understand. Here at Fiverr, there are tons of gigs on social media management. And just not Fiverr, there's Upwork, and there's even Freelancer.com. So now you know the remote potential of being a social media manager. And there are 701 courses available on social media management. And why I always prefer Coursera and YouTube for learning is because Coursera offers something known as financial aid for students, which means you can potentially get a certification for free. And the other resource is of course YouTube. As you can see, there are tons of YouTubers covering the social media management topic. And later on, if you think that this is what you want to do in future, you can actually get a full-time remote job that has a salary of $50,000 to $92,000 yearly. And these are the stars from Glassdoor. I hope now you know how to get into social media management as a student and where to find work for it. Number 3 on the list is graphic designing. As a student, this is something that you can get into really easily. You just have to spend from a couple of days to a couple of weeks and you will get into graphic designing because there are tons of resources over at YouTube and over at Coursera, just like this graphic designing course, which has a 4.8 rating with a time duration of 1 to 4 weeks, which means you can be an entry-level graphic designer within a month. So it takes less time to get into. But if you go over at Fiverr, here at Fiverr, you can see all of these gigs are related to graphic design and there is no end to this niche. Freelancer is the same. And here at Upwork, you can see that people are charging around $68 per hour. And that's not all. You can actually pursue this as a career and you can get a full-time remote graphic designer job ranging from $49,000 to $84,000 yearly. Did you know that you can earn by teaching others what you have studied at some point in your life? As a college student, you must have went through the high school. And of course, you know the stuff. You can head over to Tutor.com, which claims that they have expert tutors in over 200 plus subjects which means you can be one of that. So you can collab with them, or you can come here at Chegg and be a part of the Chegg team. And that is not all. You can actually be a freelance tutor. And here are a few people at Upwork which are teaching math and are really successful. You can be one of these and command rates around $15 per hour and so on. Number 5 on our list is data entry clerk. And to be a data entry clerk, all you need to know is how to type, because you're going to be copy typing and fitting in data into computers. For example, filling out an Excel sheet, and you'll be charging your clients for that. Although this might be tiring, but as a college student, this is something really easy to get into. And you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. And here on Freelancer, you can see that there are tons of offers for data entry clerk. Again, this might be quite tiring, but this is the easiest remote side hustle for students to get into. Next one on the list is blogging. You can actually get paid for writing blogs from websites like Medium. And here is an article from Quora which states that Medium has a partner program where they pay writers for their articles. The more people read and engage with your article, the more you can earn. So this means the quality of your article is directly proportional to the income that you're generating from that article over at Medium. And just not from there, you can actually list your gig on Fiverr, or you can post it on Upwork and start commanding rates from $15 to $55 per hour. And this is something that you can do in your spare time as a college student. All you need is 1 to 2 hours of smart work, and with the help of AI, your blogs will be ready within that time. If you're an international student and you're multilingual, this side hustle is the best for you. You can actually earn money by being a translator. There are platforms like Django where you can become a translator within a few clicks. And Django provides flexible schedule, which means you can manage this side hustle side by side with your college studies. And you can pick and choose your very own project which you want to do. And an average Django translator earns around $417 monthly. And you can be potentially earning more than that. And there are tons of translators like this guy who translates Japanese to Spanish. And he has been working with Django from 2009, which means he's been a translator there for 15 years. Django is one of the most popular platforms for translators remotely. Number 8 on our list is video editing. Although you will have to have video editing skills and you might need to spend some time learning it. But once you're done learning it, you can easily rank your gig. And here at Upwork, you can see that people are charging from $15 per hour to $19 per hour and even $30 per hour. And Upwork is not the only place where you can get freelance video editing work. You can actually head to Fiverr, and here at Fiverr, you can see that there are tons of people doing video editing and earning loads from it. And you can be one of these. But again, I would say that you would have to spend some time learning this skill. And as a college student, this is going to be a really flexible and great side hustle to get into and make some extra cash. Number 9 on our list is transcription. You can actually earn money by just listening to audio and converting that into text. You must be wondering who's actually paying to do this job. There are tons of websites, but the one that I really find legitimate and authentic is Rev.com. Here at Rev.com, you can earn money with transcription jobs. And to be a transcriptionist, you just have to follow 3 easy steps. You have to sign up, you have to choose from one of the available transcription jobs, and you can get paid weekly via PayPal. And here are a few testimonials from freelance transcriptionists who are working with Rev.com. And Rev.com has a positive review from Forbes, Real Ways to Earn, and all of these, which makes Rev.com really stand out. You can actually be a freelance transcriptionist over at Upwork and command rates from $8 per hour, and this is just a potential wage. So I hope you understand how you can be a transcriptionist and how you can get into it. Next up on the list is photography. Now you must be wondering how you can earn by being a photographer. All you need to do is take pictures. You can even use a mobile phone with a good camera. And then you're going to want to go to this website, which is iStock. And here you can actually upload your stocks and sell them. And iStock is not the only website. You can actually go to Shutterstock, and here at Shutterstock, you can sell the pictures. How to be a contributor? You just have to create, submit, and get paid. Shutterstock claims that they have paid more than $1 billion to their contributors. And joining Shutterstock is really easy. And this can be a great side hustle to get into as a college student. Last but certainly not least, we have paid surveys. As a college student, you can do 10 to 20 surveys within 1 or 2 hours daily, and you can get paid for doing these surveys. App like PoolPay offers millions of surveys for you to earn rewards and money. And just not PoolPay, there is Swagbucks. You can make money online by taking paid surveys with Swagbucks. And they claim that their members have earned over $578 million in total. And all you have to do is answer surveys. Or you can actually play games and watch entertaining videos to earn extra cash in your free time. And this is again a really easy to get into side hustle where you don't have to have skills. All you have to do is answer surveys. And there you have it, folks. 11 side hustles that are not only flexible enough to fit into your busy college schedule, but also pretty cool ways to earn some extra cash. Whether you're snapping photos for stock websites, there's a side hustle out there with your name on it. If you found this insightful, hit the like button, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to Clerk for more content on cutting-edge technologies. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video, where we continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Stay curious and keep exploring.